all the homies that continue to support. And either way, like that stuff is always noticed. You know, I try to always take care of the people that are constantly supporting. Like I know Wise Wolf was just like, "Hey, I want a patch," and I was like, "Let me look for it," and I just sent it out to them. Just little things like that, you know. I like to take care of the people that support us, support what I do here. Put a lot into it. Use a deck box as a dice box. That's smart. I've seen a couple of people that do that. Am I going to stream the PlayStation event too? I'm not going to stream it on the Wormwood account. Maybe I'll stream it on my personal account later. I don't see me being as excited as I am. I just don't see that being like my style of content, if that makes any sense. Although I am big PlayStation boy. But obviously the Nintendo Directs are where my pure natural reactions are gonna. That's where you're gonna see me cry or flip a chair or get up and scream. That's gonna be all in the Nintendo Directs. Yes, I most certainly did. Best clips come from the Directs. It's true. It's true. It's most certainly true. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Let me get a drum roll, cheeky old drum roll for the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point entry. You have like 5 seconds to enter this beautiful giveaway. Why did all my feeds turn off? That's weird. It's not 4 o'clock. I have them programmed to turn off at 4. Anywho. PAX West, did you see me or did you see the Wormwood booth? Or both? Either way, yeah, we were at PAX West. We were up in the tabletop section. It was a good time. Our winner today is Gringo Lingo. Hey. Gringo, if you can hear me, can you please whisper an email address to Wormwood Gaming on Twitch? And I will send you an email as soon as I get a minute. But all right, my good peeps, that's going to do it for us today. Like I said, this is our first week where we have a Friday stream. So we will be streaming Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Come hang out with us. We'll be here. We'll be square. Over the next couple of days, the transition, as you guys know, like when you transition from scene to scene, we have that cool little coin animation in the bottom over here. I lost all my transition settings when I updated OBS today, and I'm really sad about it. So the next couple days might be kind of funky. Don't hate me. Might be a little ugly, but we're going to fix it. Danger Cookies, thank you for hanging out. But besides that, thank you so much, guys, for hanging out. I appreciate everyone that comes and supports. We'll probably have obviously we'll have the Wormwood Wednesday giveaway tomorrow on Twitter. And Thursday, we'll probably have a cheeky another giveaway over here on Twitch, or maybe we'll move it to Fridays. I don't know. Maybe we'll celebrate Friday with a giveaway. You know, the first Friday stream. We'll figure it out. No biggie. But until tomorrow, hope everyone has a wonderful night. Happy Tuesday. Take care. Later, guys.